What? You wanted me to stop the car to take a picture with the cherry blossoms? Huh?
What's cherry blossom?
That one. Up there. Right? So this is, I think, Yoshino. I might pronounce it wrong. So it's a white type of flowering cherry blossom we have in our area. What, Lo?
So, look, gigantic.
Yeah, that tree's a little sad. No.
But
How about here? Here, come here. Hold mommy hand.
Turn
Come
the
on.
phone.
Come here. No.
Make the phone
No.
look that
No.
way. It's
No.
gigantic.
Come here. No, come here. Come here. Let's look at this way.
The phone goes that way.
No, there's a lot of cars. Look.
But that tree is gigantic.
I know, it's big. Okay, fine. He wants to show you the gigantic tree. That is, there's no leaves. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's look this way. Look here. No. You gotta hold mommy's hand. You gotta hold. I know. Come here. You're distracting me. So there's a bunch of Yoshino cherry trees on two sides of. Okay, I know. We're pointed this way, right? Pointed this way. Okay. Should we walk? Should we take a little walk?
Okay.
Let's take a little walk. Let's take a little walk. Okay. So we're in West Seattle today, and now we're into magnolias. Look at these rows and rows of magnolias, and then there's Yoshino cherry blossom down there.
I can see this nicer ends.
I know, it's still so much. Well, come on, let's go. Yeah. So we'll see you next time. Now, say bye.